Meaning of first light.
First light.
First light.
First light.
First light. First light refers to the first time a telescope or other astronomical instrument is used to observe the sky. It is an important moment because it marks the start of the instrument's scientific observations. During this initial observation, scientists typically take images of celestial objects to test the instrument's performance and calibration. By analyzing these images, they can determine how well the instrument is working and make any necessary adjustments. Ultimately, first light is an exciting and crucial step in the development of any new astronomical tool.